This is our 1980 Pearson 424. It is a clean, well-maintained, and capable cruiser. She's an aft cockpit sloop-rigged vessel and has an interesting layout, perfect for cruising. She's a classic beauty with traditional lines and has earned a reputation for having a good balance of live-aboard comfort as well as sailing performance. The owner has spent over $50,000 in the past few years with many updates in 2020 including new marine air and new running rigging. Be sure to look throughout the listing for more technical details. The cockpit is spacious and functional with deep benches all around, plus lockers to port and starboard, a propane bottle locker, and an aft lazarette. The bimini and windshield and full cockpit enclosure helps protect you from the elements. She features wheel steering with pedestal and Garmin electronics. The helm has excellent visibility with well-placed winches with alcoves. As we move forward, you may notice an interesting detail, but we'll come back to it in a second. Double lifelines and sturdy grab rails give peace of mind while on the water. The bow features an anchor locker, windlass, and anchor roller. She has a rare in-mast roller furling mainsail and new running rigging was installed in 2020. This may have caught your eye earlier, but interestingly, one of the two companionways is located halfway along the foredeck and leads directly into the salon. This gives the privacy and benefits of a center cockpit interior while still being an aft cockpit design. The owner's master stateroom aft has direct access to the cockpit and helm from a private companionway. There is a double Pullman berth to port with lots of storage cabinets above and below. In addition, the nav station, electrical panel, engine, and mechanical systems are all located to starboard within the stateroom. Forward of the owner's cabin is the spacious U-shaped galley to port. It offers the best layout for safety while underway at sea, and there is plenty of counter space and storage, plus an opening hatch overhead. Features include a double stainless steel sink, a built-in microwave, a 3-burner stovetop with oven, and an in-counter top-loading icebox. Just across from the galley is the conveniently located head where it can easily be used by the master's stateroom as well as serve as a day head. Features include a sink and vanity and a separate shower with plenty of headroom. The main salon is further forward and just past the midship companionway steps. The salon features a centerline table and 2 comfortable settees that can also serve as sea berths while underway. There's ample locker, bookshelf, and combing storage throughout this space, and new flooring was installed in 2020. Forward of the main salon is the large guest stateroom with a V-berth and lots of storage including a hanging locker and additional drawer space. While this cabin does not have a private head, it does offer a convenient vanity with a sink with pressure, hot and cold water. With a layout perfect for cruising and easily managed sailing, this well-maintained Pearson 424 hits all the right notes. And as always, the full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. And for more listings, visit our website.